Hello students and parents, I'm Ms. Froberg and today I'm going to be walking you through how to check your grades on Canvas. So as you can see, this is what our course looks like. I'm just in the third period class today. This is what students and parents should see when they are looking at my class. So to look at grades, what you're going to do is you're going to navigate over to this grades button. I believe also if you scroll down, it's not showing up on my screen. Sometimes under to do, you'll see that right here. But I always think it's easiest to navigate from the side view with the links. If you're not seeing the links, usually you can click these three lines up here by the course title, and then they should pop up. So I'm going to go ahead and click grades. And something like this will open up. I'm going to change my settings. I have all grading periods. So let me just do this. So this is what your screen will look like once you click the grades link. So if I scroll down, you can see we have formative assessments and summative assessments are weighted groups. And I have one assignment that's under here. So the September 11th headlines is our first assignment that we did. You're going to look for the score. There's a check mark. That means that it's turned in. It's complete. All of our formative assessments, which will be our classwork, homework, anything like that we do in class that are not tests or projects, will be formative assessments. If there's a check mark, that means it was turned in. Good job. For feedback, these do not count against the grades, so there's going to be out of 0. For feedback and how you know whether to improve or not, you're going to click this little comment button. Once I click that, it says, "Nice job. I would like to see you use more details when discussing feelings and the feelings and messages box." Basically, how do you know that that is the message, or why do you feel that way? And then it says, "Nice job" on the reflection question. So the reflection question for this student, which is a test student, they did a really nice job on the reflection part at the bottom of the assignment. However, I was looking for a little bit more of an explanation about the message of the headline or article from that assignment. So that's what that means. So that would be something to keep in mind on the next assignment. Okay, Ms. Froberg really wants me to go into a lot of detail when I'm explaining the message of an article. And that's how students can improve in practice. If students wanted to fix this and address and add more detail on the assignment, they are welcome to do so. Turn it back in, see how that comment improves after they resubmit. So that's how you look at the grades. You can see formative assessment, the weight is 0. Nothing there. We will have quizzes and tests and projects come up. Those will be under the summative assessment. You'll see those under learning mastery. Once we get those here, it's a 0 out of 4 mastered because we don't have any tests yet. But we'll go over that once the tests are available. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me via email, and have a good day.